Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin and this is Janet. Her YouTube channel is It's Jan. Pretty much search it up on YouTube. She does makeup tutorials and Ipsy bag reviews. So one of the questions that was asked in the Hmong YouTubers group is, what does it mean to be Hmong?
Right, so what it means to be Hmong could be, it means to other people differently, but to me, what it means to be Hmong, it's kind of complicated. Like for all the Hmong people, just because where we came from and who we are. If you guys don't know, Hmong people, we don't have a country. We kind of just migrated from China to Laos and Thailand, so we really don't have a country. So it's kind of like, to me, we are kind of just like free people, you know? You know, basically we are survivors because we have a hard culture. Like seriously, if you know what Hmong is in general.
Yeah, so basically it's the same thing for me. Like growing up, I learned like so much stuff like on how to take care of myself and how to, you know, raise animals and use the animals and grow things and really just become like a survivor in a way. Like the Hmong culture, with even all the genocide and stuff, it just seems like no matter what, they come through all together. Each and every family, each clan, as you would call it, they all come together and they come out on top. It's kind of cool to see and just be a part of, honestly. Okay guys, we're out here hunting for bamboo in the bamboo area for eating, and we're pretty much just looking for the shoots that are popping out the ground and then chop them off so we can eat them later. Yeah! Through the bamboo shot. Ah! Poison oak, guys. Oh, is there poison oak over here?
Right there. That's poison oak.
Are you serious? Oh my goodness! That is exactly what I need right now.
See all these 3 leaves right there? All these 3 leaves right there. The one that's got 3 leaves and all that stuff, those are all poison oak.
Back out slowly.
Yeah, don't be running those and go hug your kid. Slowly.
Man, that's a fat one, dude.
Yeah, man.
Hey,
just eat it fresh like right now.
So there's a Hmong YouTubers group that I'm in right now too. They'll like this. Yeah.
Oh, they love to see this.
Yeah.